Guys, Matikela, welcome to my YouTube channel. Quickly, guys, I'm a bit confused. Kanti Judge Ratamukwatleng, what kind of a judge is he? Why is Judge Ratamukwatleng not questioning the issue of the cell phone number? Why is Judge Rata accepting the issue of the cell phone number just like that? Because I don't get it. The state fought tooth and nail saying the number belongs to Fisoku Hlentuli, accused number 5. Jiggy Jiggy now, yes, it belongs to Mabungu, and we saw from the documents of Cleveland case that the number belongs to Mabungu Nduli. Why didn't they know all of this information prior coming to the court of Judge Ratamukwatleng and saying the number? In fact, they were forcing the number to belong to Nduli. Why is Judge Rata not shocked with that information coming from the state's case? Usibanda coming out there and be very arrogant and be saying we are past that stage of the number of it belonging to Mabungu. Now it belongs to Nduli. And accused number 4 and accused number 3 said that it belongs to Nduli. And even accused number 3, while he is at the witness box, says it belongs to Nduli. Guys, isn't this where a judge is supposed, whoa, we cannot be moving like that here. You insisted that this number belongs to Nduli. Even after they said it belongs to Mabungu, you guys insisted that it. So in this courtroom, from your side, it belongs to Fisoku Hlentuli. You cannot change now. Why is Judge Rata allowing these guys to chop and change anytime they want to change the evidence? Because it's not an issue of a mistake. They were adamant the number belongs to Fisoku Hlentuli. They were adamant that the number belongs to Fisoku Hlentuli. Why is Judge Ratamukwatleng not dealing with that point alone before dealing with anything else? Why is that not an issue of discussion? Why is that not an issue? And why is Judge Rata not seeking clarity questions from the state? But you guys said this to me. Why is Mr. I know the evidence, not doing anything about that? This man is shocking every day in that courtroom of his. Oh, Mr. I have 60 years experience. And this is what he can come up with? Is this what 60 years experience does to a person? Because it's supposed to be ringing in his head. No, man, I know the evidence. Why is he not saying that? I know the evidence. I listen in this courtroom. Why is he not saying that? And dealing with Usibanda and stop him right at his tracks, because where are you going with this? Those are the questions that he was supposed to ask Sibanda. Be like, where are you going with this? You told me in this courtroom, the number, you were forcing it down to his throat. You can't now, when it's going to work for you as the state, want it to be Mabungu's number. Hell no. It was not an issue of a mistaken number. Oh, Ustein, when he came, he said, I got the number from Gininda. They were intentional, guys, when they were doing that. They were very intentional. And now I'm even wondering, isn't this the number that they said Kelly Khumalo communicated with Ntuli with? Is this not the number that they said Kelly Khumalo communicated with Ntuli with? I'm quite curious now at this point, because this is becoming way too many. It's becoming too much now. It's becoming too much. Oh my God. Now, I don't know. I wish if the defense is going to raise that, they must ask, is this not the number that you said Kelly Khumalo and Fisoku Hlentuli spoke kuyo? They need to find out, Lonto Leyo defense, please. They better find out ukuthi you said this is Fisokuhle's number, and I'm quite curious at this point. Guys, do you see bayagaxeleka every day? Bayagaxeleka every day, ababantu. They are cooking. Ngomezulu was right. They are cooking every day. They are always bringing new facts. They are always, now the arrogance that Sibanda has forcing. It's like they are not expecting Judge Ratha to say no. That time Mugabe went red. Oh, he saw red. We will talk about that in another video. But did you see that Judge Ratha saw red? He was not impressed. And now Usibanda is busy reading, authorities busy reading, or Himstra, or Spanbani, 5 judges, this 5 judges. Sir, what is this? What are you doing? As much as I am shocked with all of this, I'm shocked. I am also happy. Every time they try to do something in that courtroom of Judge Ratha, they bury themselves. I remember only city, you are 16 feet, you are going 16 feet, and no. This is no longer 16 feet under. I'm sure this is 1,000 under, Sanabu. This is 1,000 under, because you cannot tell me that when you are supposed to do a cross-examination, you are bringing new exhibits now. Exhibits that you had an opportunity to bring. Judge Ratha, legally, he needs to be looking at that, because if they say, in fact, they say this exhibit was found in the Cleveland case, they got that file. 2022, they had that file. So that means they had the opportunity to bring that evidence of Mapungubwe. Instead, they wanted to do all of these things. Uchilo, what this case, he has fishy things going on in it. He even said Ugininda is forcing this case in him, and Ugininda is making him uJesu Christa felizono zabanye abantu. He did not lie, mntanabantu. He did not lie. He did not lie. Now they are coming with new facts. They spoke to people. They spoke to Vodacom, and they requested section 205 uMabhungu. How uMabhungu engekho? In fact, I'm gonna do a little research there to check indaba yesik. How do you request section 205? I'm gonna do a video about that, or on a live. I'm gonna talk about that, because what do you mean? What do you mean by this is what it has come up to now? Desperation. No, guys. Amanzi awachithe ngeke. Mawachithwe amanzi inkukhu ibalekile. Never. No, guys. Whoever is involved, inkukhu ibalekile mawachithwe amanzi. This thing is not working out. This is definitely not working out. Instead, it's bearing people into a pit. If they thought they had gold mine with these guys, no, they are being mined right now. They thought they were going to mine these guys and put them under the ground. They thought they are taking them underground. No. It's actually the other way around. They are being taken underground at this point. No. Baloyi, my bro. No. Sir, no. I disapprove. I disagree with the way you are moving. It's wrong. And for me, the one thing that is a problem in that courtroom is Judge Ratha Mokgoatlheng. Asabuze kwakubo ukuthi what must happen now? What do you mean? Who are you here? Aren't you supposed to run the show? Aren't you supposed to run the show? Because that is what a judge is supposed to do. But nonetheless, guys, this is my question to you. Do you think that it is possible the same number that now they are busy saying it's Mapungubwe's number is the same number that they said Ntuli and Kelly Khumalo communicated with? What are the odds? What are the chances of this number being the same number? I'm going to need Umnisi to check that out. I am going to need Umnisi to check that out, because what do you mean? What do you mean, Sana? No, something is not right there. Something needs to be checked. Something needs some checking there, because we can't trust them. Oh, we cannot trust the state, Sana. At this point, they are limping, Sana. In fact, limping is something else. They are broke. This is a broken leg situation. Bahleli wheelchair, actually. They are sitting on a wheelchair. Oh, they are sitting on a bloody wheelchair. This is embarrassing to the core. What are your thoughts when it comes to this? Because I think it needs to be checked if it's not the same number that Fiso Kuhle supposedly communicated with Kelly Khumalo on. Let the defense check that. Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.